Guys, I'm so excited to show you this 2-bed, 2-bath condo in LaSalle. It has stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, hardwood engineered floors. It has a balcony, it has an in-unit laundry, and the best part about this apartment is that it's never been lived in, so you don't have to deal with the issues and damage done by the previous tenants. There's a Holy Cross school right next to the apartment, so your kids can go right across the street to their school. You can commute to work very quickly through 401 here and EC Row. It's just 5 minutes drive away from here, and there are all kinds of grocery stores. You know how upmarket LaSalle is. If you want to get a good deal for an affordable price, give me a call, guys. My number is 647-806-5444. Again, 647-806-5444. My name is Meher Aisha here, realtor in Windsor, signing off. Bye. Ciao. Take care.